all of your clips to the project. Start by hiding the top 3, and then these 2. And now frame each of the 4 photos into this background layer. You can use Edit Shape here. Copy the same progress on all the 4 photos. After you're done, click on the plus icon and add a rounded rectangle. Click on the 3 dots on the top right corner and click Bit Composition Area. Then click on Edit Shape and decrease the X so that it matches the background photo. Now decrease the radius. Add just the duration of the rounded rectangle. Now select the rectangle with the 4 photos and the background layer and click on the middle grouping option at the top. Once you're done, let's set up the other layers. Add a shadow to the group if you want to. After you're done with the setup, click on the plus icon and add a text. Adjust your font. Make the color white. And adjust its position like shown in the video. You can also add a stroke. And then adjust the duration of the text. Now click on the PNG, go to Move and Transform, and add rotation and position keys at the start and second beat. On the first key, move your layer down and rotate it. And in between, add the scrap. Copy it and paste it into position. Now go to the text and add position keys at the start and second beat. On the first key, move your layer to the left, and then paste your graph in between. Now go to the first beat and click on your group and add position keys there and at the end. On the first keyframe, move your layer to the left, and then in between, paste the curve. Lastly, go to the photo on the top, go to Move and Transform, and add rotation and position keys at on the first beat and end. On the first keyframe, move your layer at the top right and rotate it. And paste the graph in both properties. Now, at the start of the entire transition, add a null layer. Adjust its duration. Now click on the text layer and click on the button next to the rubbish bin and click Try It First. Click on it again and click Null 1. Copy the same progress on every layer given. Now go to the null and go to Move and Transform and add position and rotation keys at the start. Now position your layer like shown. Make sure that your first photo is in frame. When you're done, add position and rotation keys on the second beat. And here, move your null so that it focuses on the second part of the transition. In between, paste the curve. And tweak it. Now copy the new curve and paste it over to rotation. Now in between the two keyframes and the null 1, so on the first beat, add another null. Adjust its duration, and then connect null 1 to null 2 by using the same button before. Now go to Move and Transform on null 2 and add position and rotation keys at the start and end. Don't adjust the first keyframe. And on the second key, adjust your layers so that your third and final photos are in frame. Paste a curve in between both properties. Now, at the start of the entire transition, add a rectangle. Click on the three dots and click Fit Composition Area. Adjust its duration. Now select every layer and click on the middle grouping option. Now you can add your effects.